Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Rudi here of the Ariens service, and yeah, you can see it is snowy here. The other day we just had about 3-ish inches of fresh, wonderful powder, and as you can see, it's still around, so we gotta clear it up, because I don't like to pack this down. So yeah, so this is what we do. You can see this machine here. This is the beautiful Ariens HydroPro 32. You can see that there. Slightly modified with a couple of lights. This guy here, because this guy there, the stock one, ain't any good. No good. Excuse me. We won't be needing the lights today because this job shouldn't take that long. So 32 inches should take care of what you see in a breeze. Again, 2 or 3 inches is nothing, is like a little game for this machine. But before it packs down, we're gonna go to it, make sure all the cables, extension cables and all this stuff are off the ground, because we don't want to chew that up. We don't want to chew that up in there. That's no good. Anyways, so let's get started and let's see what this big boy can do with a little bit of snow. And I shall give you a few different angles here, so it's a little bit more interesting, a little bit more fun to watch, like 2 inches getting chewed up. You say, like, on a property like this, you shouldn't be using a walk-behind blower. I say I totally agree, but this is what we got. We all do residential maintenance, snow clearing, so we don't need a big setup. Only thing we need is a walk-behind equipment and handheld equipment to get the job done. And this is what we got too. So let's go and crank up the engine. Choke on, but a few pumps there on the primer bulb, key there, a little bit of gas, and pull. Beautiful. You can see the machine runs like a champ. We have not been using it a while today, this season, because we just haven't had the big stumps. So once in a while we get it out and get it to work. Watch. So there you have it, guys. It is all clear. All clear. Beautiful machine. Ariens HydroPro 32. Running like a champ. Over and out from your Yard Service headquarters. This is Rudi here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you the next time. See you in the snow.